Hi, I'm Marshalyn Hudson, and I am the CEO and founder of Hudson Education Consultants. And we have a great team here who works with us, and we offer half-day programs, full-day programs, virtual trainings, signature programs, online concerning the ongoing education that you need, and of course, our 4-day accelerated certification program. So let me tell you a little bit about our 4-day accelerated certification program. So in that program, it is a mixture of live sessions. It is a 4-day session, and you will have someone from our team each day with 60-minute live trainings. Another part of the 4-day accelerated certification program, you will have pre-recorded videos. And on the pre-recorded videos, you will also have trainings in diversity, equity, and inclusion. And there will also be quizzes with those trainings. Another part of the 4-day program, you will have a Facebook community component where you're in a private Facebook group and you get to connect and ask questions. It's like a forum for you to mix and match with other attendees. And we also come in the Facebook group, and we also do some mini trainings in that 4-day plan. Also, you have a Q&A and discussion day where it's about a 30-minute session during those 4 days. So it's very active, it's very interactive. Not only are you going to learn so much about DEI, you're actually going to have fun also. At the end of the 4-day, you will have a group project that you would submit. It can be a PowerPoint, and you have a final examination to take. And once you pass that, you do get the certification. And in that program, the way we created it, we want you to not only just have 4 days of information. We want you to walk away with a good understanding of how to create a culture of success in your school, in your classroom, and even in your community. So you will learn quite a bit. And if you happen to miss some of it during the 4 days, we do have replays that you can catch, but it's a big part of it that you really need to do live. So once we get more into that, you'll get a full detailed curriculum about that once you sign up for the 4-day certification program. We do have a few dates that we have assigned for our spring 2023, and you can also see that on the website, the dates that we have for this certification program. Now, what else do we offer? We offer 4-day programs, a 1-day, and we have a signature program called Achieving Wholeness in the Classroom and Within. And it is a 5-phase framework for empowering and equipping educators. We also have some half-day programs where you can learn about how to add technology into your classroom, and even how to add DEI through the technology into your curriculum. So be sure and check out our services page for those programs. Now, let me tell you about the Teacher Success Association. The Teacher Success Association is a monthly subscription program where we come in and we do trainings. Teachers can ask questions. We give tips and strategies to help you in your classroom, ongoing training with DEI. It is a great monthly subscription. It's only $17 a month. And of course, you can cancel at any time. But I don't think you will want to cancel anytime soon, because in that monthly program, there's so much for you to help you become better as an educator. I've been an educator for 35 years. And I've always enjoyed learning and going to conferences and conventions and learning, and continuing to be a lifelong learner. So in the Teacher Success Association, it's a safe place to learn and grow. And like I said, $17 a month, and you can cancel at any time. And so this kind of gives you an idea of Hudson Education Consultants. And with the certification programs, our signature programs, our half-day, our full-day, our virtual trainings, sometimes we will have some webinars and just everything to help you grow and learn. And in this new era that we are living in the multicultural society. So we don't just train here, we transform, and you will be transformed after working with us. We have something for everyone. We have reasonable transforming rates and rates for you to be able to have so much even with a budget. So I hope that you would be sure and visit our website for more information under our services page. But this gives you a great idea of what we're going to be offering in 2023. We have some new things coming. We're revamping some things, and it is just going to be a great year. So I like to tell people, don't forget that you are the secret sauce to your success.